Alright, fuel stop complete, back at it.
This is like the longest on-ramp ever. It's funny, you can see the fog coming from a mile away and then you just felt the temperature drop. I think this is the first time I've ever been across here. Come pull up beside me here to get the light. So the first overnighter for the little Ninja.
Man, my shield is smooth now that I looped it up. So we're looking at 3 days, possibly 850 to 900 kilometers. Well within our limits.
So we're gonna jump on the old highway. Quick fuel and bathroom stop in Salisbury to get going. Then right back to the old highway to Riverglade. I thought about finding a roundabout way through the back roads from Riverglade on, but realistically that's kind of pointless. I think we're just gonna jump the highway in Riverglade and head straight to Young's Cove. Yeah, we'll jump off the highway there, stick to the old road there basically till we're forced back on the highway at Gemseg. Then we'll get off in Gagetown and do the usual back road way into the south side of Fredericton, or the north side of Fredericton, sorry. And then we keep going and we follow the St. John River up to either Woodstock or Hartland on the north side of the river. Either Woodstock or Hartland will cross over to the other side and then follow that up to Florenceville and then head into Centerville. We can either cross in Woodstock or Hartland. If we cross in Hartland, we're crossing the world's longest covered bridge, so you know that's kind of cool. It's like a 14 or 15 degree departure, but it's going to get up to like 27 or 28 later, so put up with a little cool air right now. Our communicators are getting so damn old now that when we do finally upgrade them, it's going to be quite a shock. All the new features and how much better they work. Fog's getting pushed back.
Alright, fuel stop complete, back at it.
Yeah, I think for me to make the switch to like an adventure style bike, I'd have to do some test driving first just to make sure it improves with a better seat, because every once in a while putting miles on my dirt bike, it can really bother my back in one spot. Well, yeah, it's a totally upright position, so it's different. I mean, realistically, it should be more comfortable, and it usually is. It's just that every once in a while, I'm just so much more used to riding a sport bike that every once in a while I jump on the dirt bike and my back gets all out of shape. Someday I'm gonna have to get on your bike and just nail the brakes to try the ABS. I think I'll start by testing the rear brakes first though. If for whatever reason it's screwed up, I don't mind dragging the rear tire. I kind of prefer not to lock the front up though. I don't think I've ever taken this ramp. I have a feeling the amount of people who have taken this ramp is pretty limited. It's like people who live in Petty and travel to Fredericton. That's about it. This is like the longest on-ramp ever. It's not over yet. Still got quite a ways to go. Oh, there's the highway. Oh, there's 6th gear also. Looks like the sun's going to temporarily disappear traffic too. It sucks. Hopefully this is just a short section. Geez, I was just thinking about how I need tires. The intercom just came on in time to hear cocksucker. I was turning it on to ask you to think if you think that I can fit those on the Sierra. It's fucking cold, let's go. It's funny, you could see the fog coming from a mile away and then you just felt the temperature drop.
Stop and warm up for a minute.
This road is not the highway, but you can make highway time on it. Naturally, there'd be construction near some of the fun turns. Fuck! I can feel it coming up and hitting my bike. Need to get a real arborist like Ben in here. Hopefully I didn't leave shit in the road down here. Just under 2 hours in. Had a fuel stop and a break. And we're how many kilometers in? 134 kilometers in. But like I said, the kilometers are going to start slowing down once we hit Fredericton. It's more back road. So that does it for highway today. Or it should anyway. Should be the end of it. One trip to Nova Scotia for you in an entire summer. That's unheard of. That wheel weight is still there. It's been a week now. Just keep coming back to check on it. I like this road. It's smooth and it's twisty enough to be, you know, entertaining. We're pretty good at avoiding the south side traffic in Fredericton. Pick our destinations on the north side to avoid everything. I was just about to ask you that. Weren't we all traffic on the right side before? Can't see them switching us. Or, I don't know, maybe they're going to switch us back to the other side, because last week when we came through here, this left-hand side was really tore up. Like, not even just tore up, but totally being reconstructed. I guess this side was, like, ready to pave as soon as we went through there. I suppose election year in the provincial capital, you're goddamn right they're going to get this done. Galant's got to wave that red flag and say, look what we've done for you. We've given you the basic level of service that you pay for.
Yeah, this is 100% time-based. They both stay red for a little bit, right, to make sure all the traffic clears out of the center. So you said, what, 200.4 kilometers?
I think this may be the first time I approach the dam from this direction. Where we come out, the dam will be on our left, and we will be taking a right. That damn dam. We'll be turning right at the end of this road. Yeah, it seems like they're always doing something on it that reduces it down to 2 lanes, or down to 1 lane. Pretty good road so far, and can't really ask for better weather. I do. I think this is the first time I've ever been across here. This is a very nice spot. Get a glimpse at the rivers and the trees. Whenever you see sites like this, you kind of assume you're in Nova Scotia. It's much more calm in there. Another fancy bridge. We weren't supposed to get on this side of the river. We're on the wrong side of the damn river. Holy Jesus Christ! Good thing he wasn't loaded. Way the fuck over, and when he seen you, he gave her a big cut. You do shit like that whenever you're loaded, man, the trailer will flip on you. Time I've actually been behind you all day. Yeah, I'm starting to see that kind of a flat ridge on your tire. This tire just fucking won't die. It's gonna get it'll probably get a big flat spot in the center and just be annoying to drive before it even wears out. It said no Nova Scotia. No Nova Scotia will do that. Flattens out tires. Well, we're heading through the woods on rough roads we don't know. So, I mean, if you want me to lead, just say the word. Oh my God. The random heaves in the middle of the road, like, I don't understand it. I mean, it's far from smooth or anything there, but all of a sudden there's just a fucking ramp in the middle of it. The frost is heaving them up and down. Another squirrel out in the road. I think this one made it across before we got here, though. Seen an awful lot of acrobatic squirrels today. As long as we're not seeing any squish squirrels. Carleton County. There's Woodstock over there. Coming up on Heartland now. The world's longest covered bridge. The longest covered bridge is out of business, so we got to head up to the other one. Covered bridge is out, so we got to go for the normal one, I guess. Full-on stop. It's kind of an odd way to do this. There's the covered bridge. It's kind of where I was hoping we would cross. That's why I claim the fame.